Okay, well, finally, after 2+ years of working on this thing and fits and starts, I finally finished my tornado generator slash vortex generator. It's based off of a common design that's out there. It's nothing really new, except I wanted to try to make one desktop sized. So most of the ones that I've seen previous to this have been in science museums, and there's a few other people that have built them on YouTube, but they've always made them like huge with like a box fan and things like that. Especially when I started making this, I was in a 1-bedroom apartment, so yeah, space was a limitation. So I was able to scale it down, make a desktop version, and as you can see, it actually works pretty well.